My name remains Vincent Hope. This is our final lesson for CSS tutorials for beginners. My name remains Vincent Hope. So in this lesson, we're going to just do three basic things. First, we're going to treat how we are going to get our text colors. What we treated before was the background colors. Secondly, we're going to treat how we can create text decoration. For example, draw a line across your text, underline a text, have an overline and underline text decoration. Then finally, we're going to treat how we're going to generate different font types for text. CS font family, this is a different type, this is a different type, this is a different type. So let's start from this color. Let's jump right in. So let's pull up the code behind it. We'll go to our CSS code. We go to first the text color, right click. Let's edit with Notepad++. So let's minimize this as usual, then bring this closer. Okay, so now you see how the code is. Direct, doc type, HTML. Now the body, opening tag, and the closing tag. Now the H3, which is the heading 3, the style is equals to color tomato, which is this red color. Then the text here is what? Hello world. This is the text here. So we can, for the other one, which is the style, the paragraph, the one in the paragraph, the style, the color, you see the code here is Dodger blue. Then look at the text here, which is follows the tag here. Then remember, if we go down here, we see the closing tag for the paragraph. Let's go down, go down, go down, move to the right, move to the right. Oh, sorry. Oh, let me just click end key. Where's my end key? Okay, okay, my end key. See that? Okay, fine. See the paragraph tag, the end tag. So everything here is in Dodger blue. Now let's go to the home tag. Home. I press the home key. So now we have the P style color is medium sea green. Then you follow with the text. So how do you design? How do you style with text? Style the color of a text. If you are using the heading or the paragraph, you open the tag, put the style equals to color. Make sure you put color. Color is what defines the text. Now after the column, you put the type of color: tomato, Dodger blue, mid-sea green. You close the tag. I hope that should be clear enough now. So that's how you do that. Then you close the body tag, then the HTML tag. So this is for how to style text. So let's assume we change this text to just checking colors. Let me delete the remaining one here. Okay, I leave it. Just checking colors. I click save and I refresh here. You can see it's just checking colors. So that's how you style your text. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. The next one is how do you create a decoration in CSS. So let's pull up the code. We click, bring out the code. So the text decor, right click on it, click here, right click, edit with Notepad++. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, so this is the text decor, HTML heading, style. This is the style, opening style tag. This is the closing style tag. Now for the H1, which is the largest heading, the text decoration is overline. Overline means on top. Then the H2, the text decoration is line through across the text. Now look at the code for styling text dash decoration. That is the code. For H3, the text decoration is underlined, which is this one. Then for the paragraph, the text decoration is overline and underline. You can use the two together The first one was just overline. The second one is, the last one is overline and underline, which you see it up here and down here. Then you close the style tag, close the heading tag, the body, then H1 overline text decoration, which is for the first one. Second one, H2, line through text decoration, H3, underline text decoration, then the P class, because this represents a class .ex. P class, which is equals to EX, you close this bracket and then you put overline and underline text decoration, you close the tag. Then you can do this. We have done this, adding different additions to your text. For example, strong notes, you make this one bolder, strong, close it, it's not recommended, blah blah blah, then that. So this is simply how to program or code or style your HTML using CSS when you are doing text decoration. So we are done with that. Now let's move on. So we come to this. Then how do we bring out the font family? Now the different types of font characters. So we move forward, we pull up the text fonts, then we click open with edit with Notepad++. Okay, now so the same thing, doc type HTML head style .p1, which is a class. Anytime you see the dot, you know it's a class. Open braces, font family. So this is the code. Font family, this is the styling code. Times New Romance. The Times New Romance commands times, serif. Now that is for this text here. Then you close the tag, close the brace. P.2 class 2. Font family is Arial, Helvetica, sans serif. Now remember, it is for, we have, if you watch the text very well, we have the first text by comma, second text. Okay, this is first and second text. Now this font family, Times New Romance, is for the first one. Then the Times is for the second one, showing times. Then serif is for the third one. Now the same thing here, font family Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif. So Arial is for the first, then Helvetica the second, then sans serif the third. Then font family Lucida Console, which is this one, then Korean New, this one, and monospace. So we put 3 texts. You can decide to just put one. Now we finish styling, you come, okay, let's do something here before we make progress. Let's assume that we just take times, let's do the one that will be more visible. Let's use, in this one, let's use just, let's use Helvetica. Remove this one here. From the second one, I remove this. And I also remove this. I click save. I'm going to refresh it back. Click save. Now, okay, it has no much effect. Let's go back to the code. Okay, go to the Notepad++. Let's undo it. Undo. So we have back the 3 texts. So it didn't really make much effect. So this is the code for it. Font family, Lucida Console, Korean New, monospace. Then we do the CSS font family. Then you put in the class. This is the paragraph for the class. This is the paragraph shown in Arial font. This is another one. This is the paragraph shown in Lucida Console. So the first one was for Times New Roman, which is the first one, adding the times and serif. The second one was for the Arial fonts. They are similar fonts. Then the third one is for Lucida Console, which is Korean New, also Korean New and monospace. So there you have it. This is how you code text or style text. The first one is you style the color. You use which code, the color text. To style the color, you use Now this is for background color. Background color, with all these ones have been opened before. Background color, okay, they were opened before previously. Okay, so let me close it. So we're just reviewing it. So that's how you style it. So that's how you do it in CSS. What we wanted to do was, I just wanted to do a review, but let me go back to the Notepad++. The first one, okay, the first one here with our text color, open here. So you come here with style. So the code is style color. This is the code. Then you put the type of style, whether it's tomato, Georgia blue, or medium screen. The second one, which is the text decoration, the code for it is, the code for text decoration is text decoration. You put overline, line through or underline. Then the third one is, which one? The final one, which is the font type, which you come back here. You put the type of font, you put the font type you require. Sorry, you put edit with Notepad++. So the font type, you put font family equals to Times New Roman and the rest of it. So there you have it. My name remains Vincent Hope. So if you have any questions on this, all the CSS tutorials we have carried out from lesson 1 to lesson 5, please feel free to drop your comments. If there's any way you want, any questions you have, please help us to let us know from the comments. So like and share, and do have a blessed day. Thank you.